Good day, guys, and welcome back to our eBay Flips channel. So, for today, we got you 9 leads, 6 coming from our online eBay arbitrage, and the 3 coming from our eBay RA. So, let's check out all our deals that we got for you. Here, first one is this Lego Valentine's heart ornament, wherein you could buy it for £9 and sell it for 19.39, almost double its price. Next, from Boots, you could buy this MAC Retro Matte lipstick for 15.75 and sell it for 32.95, double its price again. For Grace Chandel, we got some options. Buy this Jellicut deal for 15.30 and then sell it for 29 or 43 pounds. Oh my god, almost triple its price. And then this Jellicut Herbie, buy this for 28.80 and sell it for 76, triple its price, guys. And lastly, from Grace Gentle, this 22.50 pound deal, and you could sell it for 40 pounds. So check out all our latest deals and the rest of our deals uploaded for you guys because we got great deals and finds for you. So if you're interested to earn free extra money, we got you this channel. Affiliate income review giveaways and job opportunities. So if you're interested, feel free guys to check out all the rest of these channels. And of course, we got you price drop monitoring wherein you could see all the latest deals and price drop of these websites. So check this out, guys, because this is updated daily. And mostly you could see here price drop from 50% and above. Alright, there you go. Another bot operated channel that we got for you is this Amazon to eBay. If you're into flipping, you should check this out because you could see here all the latest price drops and deals from Amazon that you could sell to your eBay accounts. And lastly, our general community wherein you could use to interact, chat, and communicate with one another. So don't hesitate to use it and share your achievements with. That would be all for Recap today. I hope you guys have a very nice day ahead. Bye, everyone.